Still this amazing workflow that helps you book 10 plus appointments with your ideal customer profile every single week using a combination of high intent bias data, AI for personalization, and automation to put the data to work. Let's get started. So the first thing is you want to build a list of people who are actually in the market to buy your offering. And OutreachGenius has built market polls to help you do that. All you have to do is provide your website URL and submit it. And our system goes to your website, understand your offering, who your ideal customer profiles are, and then matches that to people in the market ready to buy your offering based on their web activities. And then the next thing is to then put that data to work. But first, let me show you what the data looks like. So when we get into the data, we have everything from topic intent categories, and we can see different topics categories here: precision marketing, inbound marketing, online lead generation, sales acceleration. These are indicative of services that we offer at OutreachGenius. And then we have names, phone numbers, we have LinkedIn URLs, we've got emails, all that good stuff to put the data to work. Now, the next step is we want to start thinking of how we want to communicate to these individuals. So here is a template for emails that I've written. We have the subject lines, and then we want to provide some sort of marketing ideas as a way of adding value. And then the second thing I want to do is I want to personalize my introduction line with something about a company mission response. So I have to figure out a way to use AI to create those personalization angles so that my message will resonate. And that is where Clay becomes very powerful. So once you integrate your campaigns, your data from OutreachGenius into Clay, we can do some very, very interesting things. So the first thing I want to do is to even make sure before I start anything that these leads are in my ICP. I don't want to be talking to people who are not in my ICP, and I want to confirm that. And all I have to do is click on this button here to create a formula. And we even have this AI tool that can help us do that work. So in the data set from OutreachGenius, I have the company description column. And the company description tells us everything about the company. So I then says determine if this company qualifies as my ideal client profile by checking if the description about them has any of the keywords marketing, media, branding, lead generation. That will indicate that they are in my ideal ICP. And as you see here, the output is all true, and then that is correct. The next thing I want to do is verify the email addresses or to supplement the missing ones. And this is what this workflow does. It looks through different sources all around the internet to complement and verify the email address so I have a full complete list. This is basically doing the work of what a BDR would typically spend time doing. And then the next step is I want to start creating a personalization. And then that is where I integrate ChatGPT into this workflow. So I edit my column here and then I provide a prompt. I have the company description already, so I want to use that to then create something that is personalized to them. So I gave it the instructions on what it should create, create a summarized company mission, and then add a prefix so that way it feels very natural and organic. And let's take a look at some of the examples of the results. Based on that, I was checking out your company and it looks like you help create unforgettable, disruptive outdoor media experiences. And then let's look at another one. I was checking out your company and it looks like you help brands explore marketing through curiosity and adventure. So we have all of those examples of things that is personalized to the company mission. And then the second idea, remember from my email, is we want to create marketing ideas that offers value to that individual, but is also personalized to their business. And that really will help them take notice and pay attention to our offer and our outreach. And in this case, all I'm doing here is I'm using AI to create prompts to again create those information for me. Again, I have the company description and I created outlines of the ideas of how it should be using AI to creating personalized ideas for them. And then let's take a look at some of the examples here. So let's take a look at this one here. Building audiences, seeking disruptive outdoor media solutions. So again, it gave us specific ideas around the company's name and information, which makes it very personalized. And then the next thing is to bring all of that information, which is what I've done already here. And let's take a look at an example of how the emails actually look once we combine all of these things together. So you can see here, the subject line, I was checking out your site and had some outbound ideas for you. Have you considered or are you implementing any of these ideas? Beauty audiences seeking disruptive outdoor media solutions. So again, measuring their information and their company name and making it feel very organic, very smooth. And this is again, extremely powerful. And that one here is, I build audiences searching for industry content to exceed client standard. Again, using keywords that indicate that we actually did research about their company and created all this personalized information about them. And then this is some of on that one here. I was checking out your company, and it looks like you help sponsors reach targeted customers via exclusive top tier media programs. Again, very, very smooth. So here's how we're doing it, and it's pretty amazing.